These Cajun prawns with noodles are smothered in a spicy and slightly creamy sauce. I like to use ready cooked noodles to speed this dish up even more. So let's get cooking. I've got 300 grams or 10.5 ounces of raw king prawns here. I'm going to sprinkle on 2 tablespoons of Cajun spice mix and stir it all together to coat the prawns. Now heat a tablespoon of oil in a large frying pan over a high heat. Add those prawns in and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, turning once until those prawns are pink. Then we're going to remove the prawns from the pan and place in a bowl. Turn the heat of the pan down to medium and add another tablespoon of oil to the pan. Now we're going to add in a diced onion, a diced red pepper, a sliced red chilli, 2 minced cloves of garlic and 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and pepper. Fry all that together for about 4 to 5 minutes, stirring often until the onion starts to soften. Now add in 180 ml or 3/4 cup of chicken stock, a tablespoon of Worcester sauce and a heaped tablespoon of creme fraiche. Stir it all together and heat through until just starting to boil. Now we add in 400 grams or 14 ounces of cooked egg noodles. Stir it all together and heat through for about 4 to 5 minutes, stirring often until those noodles are hot. Add those cooked prawns back into the pan and cook for a further minute. Now turn off the heat and stir in 2 tablespoons of finely chopped fresh coriander or cilantro, and we're ready to serve. Divide between bowls and top with some chili flakes for an extra little kick. And there you go, lovely juicy prawns with noodles with that lovely creamy spicy sauce. It's lip-smackingly delicious. See you next time.